Alright, today we're going to take a look at a red hot little Zippo. Now this one I just picked up at Wally World. And a couple things in this packaging. It says it has a lifetime guarantee. It's made in the USA. It's a genuine Zippo. There's the big Zippo logo. It instructs the purchaser to fill with premium Zippo or Ronsonol lighter fluid. And on the back it says it's a genuine windproof Zippo. It doesn't say anything about drop proof. And you can customize it on Zippo.com. Warning is keep out of reach of children. And it has a ridiculous P65 California warning on it. It's built to last, it's reusable, it's pocket sized, it has a reliable spark, it has easy ignition, and is wind resistance. And the barcode, which is on the back of this thing, says Fireball Blister, and it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. So this is the way I bought it. It's got the blister pack. Did not come with the regular Zippo box. That's just garbage. But it does have that nice little insert, the Fireball insert. The Fireball Dragon logo. The Fireball and Dragon logo are registered trademarks of Sazerac Brands LLC. So that's actually a collectible insert. Here is the Zippo. It's on a black matte finish. And it says Fireball Whiskey Ignite the Night. It's a nice picture of the Fireball bottle. And this was made in H of 19. Really good stampings on this. I believe that H is August. Got a good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. A lit drop test on this Fireball. And there's the Fireball passing the drop test nicely. And I do have a couple of these Fireball Zippos already. And I'm going to put it right over here in the collection that I already started. With the other three that I have. Where's the Fireball? And there's a yellow, the label, and another picture of the bottle. All three are collectible and definitely need some cowbell. Knuckle bump.